Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the colors of widgets in footer of WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the browser. Then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. Then click on enter. After that you have to just simply put in your login credentials there and it will simply take you to this page. From here what you need to do is simply click on the edit site option and then it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing, and from here what you need to do is simply choose the footer that you would like to edit. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. From here you can see we have already choose the icons, and then what you need to do is simply click on the settings icon in the top navigation bar, and here you have to just simply choose the styles option, style tab. Then here you can see the color is already showing, and here you have to simply choose a color. So let's say I'd like to choose it to red, and then just simply choose it to the red like this, and here you can see the color is already changing like this. And after that you can just simply choose another color as well. Here you can see the ash color, the other color. Then you have to just simply come back, and then you have to just simply click on save icon, and here you can see the color of the footer is already changed. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.